We are on the road. Ayla's smiling away behind the camera. We are on the way to Margaret River from Perth. So we shall be there for 3 months. Hopefully get some good videos. Look at that, the lens is literally aimed. Alright, hopefully we get some good videos and have a good time. Yeah. We have arrived at the house. Beautiful ocean views this house has. Anyway, should be good. Here is the tour of the house. This is the upstairs area of the house that we have moved into.
The video's not as good as mine.
Okay. We have the outdoor area here with ocean views. My car there. Nice outdoor area. This is the living room with a beautiful fire pit. There's Ella. There's a couple bedrooms in here, but we are downstairs. And then we have this outdoor area. Lovely outdoor area. Stairs that lead down. Vacant block here. This is our block. Lovely outdoor bit and a fire pit over there. Look at this lovely area. We got a nice little bed, outdoor bed, nice little table, some chairs, barbecue, everything you could really want. And our bedroom's downstairs, but maybe we'll show you that later.